Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SCT Math Tutorials. So today we have a problem in front of us. It's about the simplifying an expression. It looks like this is a complex, somewhat complex expression. So I'll go over a couple of things, a couple of ways or a couple of methodologies on how to solve this expression here. So the question is, the expression 5x minus 2 over 3 plus x is equivalent to which of the following, right? So this is the expression here, and these are the choices. So there's a couple ways we can do this. So one of the ways is to break this, meaning we try to add something to this expression and then we simplified it, right? So that's one of the ways. So let's do that first. So to do that, you look at this. You look at the denominator. You see x plus 3. And then up here, you see 5x minus 2. So the denominator has 5x, which is 5 times the x at the denominator, right? So that's the key. When you look at this, you say, okay, I have 5x. The denominator have x, meaning it's 5 times, right? And then you have a constant, which is a number here. So here you have a negative 2, right? But here you have a 3. So the negative 2 is not 5 times the positive 3. So how do we break the negative 2 into two numbers so that we have a number that's 5 times the 3 here, 3 at the bottom? So we can rearrange this. We can write, okay, so we have 5x. We know that we need to break the negative 2 out into two numbers. So one of the numbers must be 5 times the constant at the bottom, which is 3. So which is 13, right? So which is plus 13. Plus 15 is 5 times. So 5 times 3 is plus 15. So because you have a constant plus 15, but then you want a negative 3 because you cannot change the value of an expression, right? So you simplify, but you cannot change the value of an expression. So because you want to retain the value, then you do the minus 17, right? So 5x plus 15 minus 17, I didn't change anything, right? And then I have everything over x plus 3, right? So I keep the denominator the same. So I have this. So now looking at this, this expression here is the same thing as the expression in the problem, but it's just that I just break the negative 2 into something that I can simplify. That's the whole point about simplifying an expression. You have to come up with something to simplify the expression. So this is how I do it. So by looking at this, I see that this guy here is 5 times the number at the bottom, the denominator. So I can rewrite this in a way that, okay, I can rewrite that as 5x plus 5 over x plus 3 minus 17 over x plus 3, right? So from here to here, I didn't change the value of an expression. Again, I keep everything the same, but I just break it out so that from here, I see that, okay, this guy, from here I can see that 5 times x plus 3 over x plus 3 minus 17 over x plus 3, right? So going from here down to here, I keep everything the same, right? So I didn't change anything. So now that we see x plus 3 in the denominator and then x plus 3 in the denominator, so I can definitely cancel that out. So I have 5 minus 15 over x plus 3, and this is my answer. So that's D over here. Okay, so this is one of the ways to solve this. When you look at this, like I say, the key is the 5. You know that x here is the denominator is x, the denominator you have 5x. So you know the key thing is 5. 5 is the key thing. And then you know that you need to do something with the negative 2. So this is one of the ways to solve it. There's another way. So instead of breaking this out, we try to plug in a value for x, right? So we can use a process of elimination, right? Process of elimination also works in this problem here. Okay, so right off the bat, without doing anything, when you look at this, I think you can cross out C right away, right? Why I say C? Because so here you have -2 over 3x, which is that. So the second part works, this part works, but then 5x over x plus 3 does not equal 5. So right off the bat, we can eliminate C without doing anything, right? So we can like eliminate that. So now we're down to A, B, and D, right? So you have these choices here. So let's pick a value. So let's say x is 1, okay? So x is 1, so I have 5 times 1, which is 5, minus 2 over 1 plus 3, which is 4. So 5 minus 2 over 4. I say 5 minus 2 over 3. Right off the bat, I eliminate that. That doesn't work, right? Same thing. So if I put in 5, so 5 minus 2 over 4, which is 3/4, right? So 3/4. B does not give you 3/4, right? 5 minus 2/3 does not give you 3/4. So B is out of the picture. So now you eliminate A, B, and C. Then the obvious choice is D. So let's plug it in here, right? So let's say x is 1. So 5 minus 17 over 1 plus 3, which is 4, right? So this is 5. So you convert that to 20. Let's do that. 20 over 4 minus 17 over 4, which is 3/4. Okay, because the base is the same. So if the base is the same, you keep 4 and then just do the denominator 20 minus 17, which is 3. So that equals that. Then you know that D works. So if you don't know, if push come to shove and you run out of time and you cannot break this, simplify this, you can always use a process of elimination to eliminate. Like I say, right off the bat, you can eliminate a couple choices. So you have 4 choices, you can eliminate 1, you're down to like 3 choices, and then try to plug it in, try to eliminate a few more, and then you're down to your answer. So either way works, whatever you think is easy for you. But simply, I think this whole point here is for you to understand how to simplify an expression. But in the exam, SAT exam, because it's a time exam, right? So it doesn't have to be the long way. Like this, I said this is a long way. You can use an easy way to just plug in a number for x. Pick a number, plug in for x, see which one works for which one is equivalent to any of the following at the bottom answer choices. Okay, that's it. That's how you do these kind of problems. All right. Thanks for watching this video clip here. And if you are going to take the exam anytime soon, then I wish you the best of luck. And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.